Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Newcastle, local and long-distance movers near me. To be considered a long-distance move, your possessions must be transported at least 50 miles from your current location. Your items will be carefully loaded and transported by professional movers. Our trucks, like the rest of our moving gear, are of the highest quality. These trucks are well suited for long-distance transport. We have approval from both state and federal governments to relocate. For additional protection, we have comprehensive insurance plans in place to cover you or any of your belongings in eventualities on your trip. You can also rely on us to deliver your items on top condition and schedule when you work with us. Even if you're only moving across town, you'll need to put in the same amount of work ahead of time. Relocations within a short distance are less expensive than relocations within a vast distance. However, this is not to say that they don't require the same meticulous and versatile planning. They do. If there is no effective plan in place, your local move is sure to fail. With us, failure is not an option. With an hourly fee ranging from $30 to $40, we're one of the most reasonably priced moving companies in the area to hire. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Newcastle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.